Hi friends, today I am with the POCO F6 5G. In this video we are going to do the unbox. I will show you all the box content, all the features what is present in the software of HyperOS, and also we will talk about the camera app, including all the pictures what I have clicked and some of the gallery features what you are getting as a AI. Now coming to the device, it comes with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 first smartphone, and it is a 4 nanometer processor. Here you can see there is a back cover. This is the phone. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, and currently I am putting the phone for booting. The inbox, we are getting a 120-watt charger, and the phone supports 90-watt charging. So 120-watt charger is effective if you are charging your laptop, and it comes with a Type-C charging port. Now this is how the cover, sleek silicone cover, perfectly fits with the smartphone. It weighs around 179 gram. It will be coming in two colors. We got the titanium one and the other one will be the black color. It comes with the in-display fingerprint sensor. On the side you have the power button and the volume rocker keys. And the back you are getting a 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel. In the top you are getting an IR sensor. There is stereo speakers, and also in the bottom you are getting the SIM slot. It comes with the dual SIM support. Both SIM supports 5G, and if you have a not a proper internet connection for the first SIM, it will directly switch to the second one due to the smart SIM integration. Now talking about the setting, it is running on Android 14, and it will definitely get the upgrade too, as far as the company has told us. It is coming with the 12 GB of RAM, 8 GB of virtual RAM, and 512 GB of internal storage, so which is a huge thing. It comes with the 90-watt turbocharge support, and in the box we are getting a 120-watt inbox charger. It has a 5000 mAh battery, and there are few apps and things which you can check it out. It has a AI face unlock. NFC is also present in this smartphone. Now, if we see the Wi-Fi connection, it has support of Wi-Fi 6E. It has a 5G smart switch, which I was telling you guys. And in the lock screen, you guys get raise to wake, and it has a 20 megapixel front camera. It comes with the face unlock feature too. It also has the NFC. With this smartphone, you will also get on the home screen, in which you can do a lot of customization, and there are few more things in the lock screen. So here, wallpaper and personalization, you can put the always on display whichever you want to select. Currently I am selecting this one. It is very easy to apply, and if you want to change it, you can go and use in the wallpaper and customization in the lock screen. Notification panels can also be changed, and the device comes with the 120 Hz of refresh rate. And battery indicator, I want like this, the number should be inside the battery. If you want to change it, you can have that. You can hide even the notch also. The lock screen can be looked into badges, floating patterns. There are few things, and even the notification, you want to hide any notification, you can do that too. And how the notification will pop up on your display, this is how, when your phone is in sleep mode, you will see the notification light glowing up. So this is a very cool feature what you are getting in HyperOS. Even you can remove the system navigation. I like to have that navigation feature, so I am just putting it into the gesture mode. Once I done that, I am getting a full screen display, which is the best thing. And double tap is to unlock. Even if you can change the power button, volume rocker keys also to trigger shortcut for Google Assistant or maybe camera button. There are few things which you can do. Talking about the refresh rate, I have told you it supports 120 Hz, but currently it is adapted refresh rate. It has the AI HDR support. Even there is a video enhancement present. You can switch that on simply. It comes with the Dolby ATMOS support. The audio quality is really great. It comes with the stereo speaker. So I have tried it, and the audio quality is really immersive, and the experience is really good. If you are a multimedia user, you will definitely love this. And there is also glance mi. This is the wallpaper what you are getting in the lock screen, all new, personalized, and you can check that out. It looks pretty much cool. And there are few more things. Even the charging icon can be changed. So You can change the charging icon. Fingerprint sensor face data is very easy. Currently I am just putting out a pattern how to lock. So this is a normal pattern I just put in the smartphone. Then I am just registering my finger to do the fingerprint unlock. It is very easy, it will not take much time. Once it is done, I will also show you how to input the face, register your face to do the face unlocking. Just give the pattern. Once it is done, you start it. You have to wait for few seconds. Once it is done, it will take your face and we can do the face unlock. Now let's also there is stay on the lock screen after locking. I've just switched it off, and here you can see the face unlock works very smoothly. Now let's try with the fingerprint unlock, and it is also working. So these are the things what we are getting. And there is battery, which we definitely talked about. It comes with the 5000 mAh battery, but it supports turbo charging. I will make a separate battery video, and also there is a gaming video. Do check that out also. You will have an idea how good is POCO F6 you should buy or not. The price will be in the description section, so don't worry about that. And there are some more gesture shortcuts that how to switch on your flash. You can check that. These are the gesture shortcuts are available all in the settings. I will definitely urge you guys to go and check it out from yourself, and there are too many things. If you have any question, just drop it into the comment section. I will try to respond you back. It comes with the memory extension. Currently it has an option of 4GB, 6GB, 8GB. I am just switching from 6GB to 8GB. It will do a reboot, and then the virtual memory will be there. It also has 12GB onboard RAM. It comes with the 512GB internal storage, which is definitely huge. So for considering RAM and storage, definitely there will be no issue, no lag. I haven't seen any issue with that. And even it offers the second space. So if you want to use two different accounts, you can use that too. Then there is one more thing, heart rate. I will show you how it works. Let's go and check it out. So for heart rate, you have to go start, and in the fingerprint sensor you have to tap and put, and it will check your heart rate. You can check this, but still if there is anything serious, do consult with a specialist doctor. Now these are the few things what you are getting in this POCO F6 5G. The biggest point is that you will get 3 years of Android update, 4 years of security patch. Coming to the camera, the rear camera comes with the 50 megapixel with OIS and EIS support. It comes with the 6P lens. It has an aperture of f1.59, and the ultra wide camera is 8 megapixel. The front camera comes with the 20 megapixel, and it comes with the f2.2. It has the grid options. You can go and check that out. Even the center mark straighting. So these are few helpful things if you want while photography. There's flash, aspect ratio, AI camera, HDR, all present, timer, shutter type. So timer is 3 second, 5 second, 10 second. Then there is shutter, tap to click a picture, voice shutter, so you can activate with voice. I am currently not using those things. And there is a motion tracking also, focus. There's tilt shift too. It comes with the time burst, and also there is assist cam. Now there is also watermark. You can put it on a watermark regular or look like a film. It is also up to you. And going to the video, it can shoot 4K video from the rear camera, 60 fps, 30 fps. In the front, it can shoot only full HD video, not 4K video. There are some filters, you can check that out too. And there is photo. You can go up to 0.6 to the 0.6x and extend up to 10x, which can be the digital zoom, and the optical zoom is 2x. Here you can see the camera in 4K. You can record up to 60 fps and 30 fps. In 1080p also you can record 30 fps and 60 fps, but in the front camera you can only record in 1080p. Here if you are clicking for a document, you have original, BMW and enhanced, 3 versions to click it. Then there is a pro camera. I'm just showing you the video, and in the video you can see if we are in the 720p, it has a 30 fps, and if we are going to 1080p, it can switch to 60 fps in the front camera. So this is the mode what you are getting in the video. And there is also photos mode, portrait mode, night mode and more. In the more you can see there is a 50 megapixel camera. Panorama mode, you have to download that panorama mode. I'm just clicking it, it will download. Short film, slow motion, time lapse, AI watermark, long exposure. And if you want to drag and down any of the modes, you can just pull it and drag them down. I will show you how you can do that. It is very easy. Once you have to pull it, hold it, and now you can drag it. So this is how you can drag down your all the modes in your primary camera app. Now going back to the camera setting, it has a smart session where document scanner and scan QR codes can be done. There is also a night mode available, auto night mode. It comes with the HEIF format. It has the notify about orientation. Picture modes are also present. Mirror front camera is present. This picture quality I have put it into high. Image stabilization is also on. It has the SDR10 plus support. Video encoder is high compatibility currently on my smartphone. And if you want to preserve settings, you can do that. Shoot with screen off. These are the basic things which you have, and it depends on each different camera person how to put the settings and customize that for their own smartphone. If you switch to front camera, there is a beauty mode. If you tap on that, there are few more features which you, and I will definitely recommend you to go and check this. This is only for the front camera beauty mode. It is not present in the rear camera beauty mode. So I'm just put into the rear camera beauty mode. Here you can have a beauty scale only, but other than that, in the front you get more option to customize and take a better picture using the beauty mode. Now going to the gallery in a picture, just go to settings in that edit. In the edit option there is a triple dot manage plugin. Just go and install it. It is around 800 MB file. It is an AI editor and it is very helpful. I will show you how you can edit your pictures and how it can look very gorgeous. And even you can change your quality of picture also, low, medium, best. Size can be changed to 20%, 40%, 80%. 100% and maybe best. Now here the edit mode, I'm just going to create. In this you can see there is a download option. Once you do that, your sky is entirely changed. So there is sunny, evening, night and dynamic. There are different times also. The yellow button is for download. It will need an internet connection and your image is completely being changed. So this is how you can change it using the AI features in the gallery. It has lot of customization. You can see it is a normal sky and now it is changed to a very good view. Even the bokeh effect can be also changed. So there are few customization. Even you can see the magic eraser is also working. You can try this all out from your own self. This is a normal shot taken in a good light and it came out pretty well. This is a 0.6x shot. Now this one is the 1x and the next one is 2x. Then I have increased to 4x, 6x, 8x and lastly it will be 10x. So this is how I have taken the zoom shot. The image came out really well. In the 10x digital zoom also the image is properly visible and there is no distort. This is also a daylight shot. It came out well. So taking pictures with F6 is really good. Here you can see using the front camera portrait mode, everything has been blurred and I wanted the result similar like that and it came out well. From me it is a thumbs up for the camera. Again I am repeating, the rear camera comes with the 50 megapixel which has a OIS and ES, though I haven't tried with the video. In the front you are getting a 20 megapixel camera with aperture f2.2. I have tried taking some low light shots and it came out very well. And the device is fully loaded. So this is all what I have taken the pictures. If you like it, definitely put the thumbs up. If you have any suggestion, just drop it into the comment section. This is all about the POCO F6 box content, all the features, what it comes and the camera. Definitely it is a very win-win phone. This is all about the device. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.